Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a credit card with American Airlines step by step clearly. To deploy a credit card with American Airlines, start by visiting the American Airlines website. Once on the home page, navigate to the credit cards section. Review the available credit card options to find the one that suits your needs. Click on the credit card you are interested in to view its details. Make sure to read the terms and conditions of the card carefully. Next, click on the Apply Now button to begin the application process. You will be directed to a secure application form. Fill out the form with your personal information, including your name, address, and contact details. Provide financial information, such as your income and employment status. Ensure all entered information is accurate and up to date. Once the application is completed, review it for any errors. Submit your application by clicking the appropriate button at the bottom of the form. You will receive a notification confirming that your application has been submitted. After a short wait, check your email for an approval or denial notice. If approved, follow the instructions provided to activate your card. Wait for your physical card to arrive in the mail. Once it arrives, follow the activation process detailed on the card. You're now ready to start using your American Airlines credit card for flights and purchases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.